Guys, what's up? And today I'm just gonna probably sing and stuff like that. Sorry, my face is hideous right now. Anyways, I know. A few days ago I was going through something where I needed to hide from the world. Well, I thought I did, so I've been like hiding in a corner for 2 days. Anyways, besides that, I'm gonna sing to you guys a bunch of songs that I remember that I don't remember the name of. There's a monster inside of my head, get along with the voices inside of my head, trying to save me. Stop holding your breath. Well, you think I'm crazy, and you think I'm crazy. Well, that's not fair. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Well, that's not fair. If you didn't understand that, let me sing it to you slower. There's a monster inside of my head. Get along with the voices inside of my head. They're trying to save me. Stop holding your breath. You think I'm crazy, and you think I'm crazy. Well, that's not fair. Whoa, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh. Well, that's not fair. Jeez. You are the only one for me, and I will be the only one for you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, 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 ooh. I love my subscribers. I love my subscribers. All 3 of you, 4 or 5 or how many I have. I haven't checked my subscribers yet, so I don't know how many I have. So sorry. If you ever comment, comment on my videos, subscribe. If you guys have a YouTube channel and you like my videos, I will subscribe to you. I promise. I might not watch all your videos because they might not interest me. Sorry. Stuff that doesn't have to do with Minecraft or animatronics or creepy stuff like that. Probably not interested in unless it has baby lives, dolls, babies, stuff like that. No trolls. No trolls or demons. No. Or ghosts. I don't like ghosts. No. Or spiders. I like spiders, actually. And snakes. They're kind of scary, but they're cool. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. What, Elsa? What do you want to build this? Dang it, I have 3 seconds. Elsa? Do you want to build a snowman or ride your bikes around the halls? I think some company is overdue. I started talking to the pictures on the walls. It gets a little lonely, all these empty rooms, just watching the hours tick by. Elsa, please, I know you're in there. People are asking where that you've been. At least they have courage, and I'm trying to. I'm here for you, just let me in. We only have each other, it's just you and me. What are we gonna do? You know what's crazy? What? We finished each other's sandwiches. That's what I was gonna say. Never met somebody just like me. Jinx. Jinx again. I meant to have one explanation. You and I were just meant to be. Say goodbye to the pain of the past. We don't have to deal with anymore. Love is an open door. Life could be so much more. With you, with you, with you. Love is an open door. Door. Okay. I'm gonna sing Let It Go. Yeah. Come here. This is Rachel, everybody. She is a very old doll. She used to be my mom's when she was little. My aunt actually made her for her. Okay. The snow glows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. King of isolation, and it looks like I'm a queen. The wind is howling like this swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. But you don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. I'll rise like a break of dawn. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. Here I stand in the light of day. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway. It's funny how some distance makes everything seem small. In the kingdom of isolation, makes me look like I'm a queen. The wind is howling like this swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Being good girl you always have to be. Cause you don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. I'll rise like a break of dawn. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. Cold never bothered me anyway. If you like Rachel, comment down below.